that becomes that next goal of if I want to create community, then how do you view yourself as the community builder? And you really have to see yourself as a leader. You set the tone. Like the person that creates that community sets the tone for all interactions that go through that. And so to me, I think if you're going to build community, you've got to clearly communicate a few things. Like first off, clearly communicate your values. Like, what do we stand for? If you're a part of this group, if you're in this community, if you're listening to my podcast or whatever it might be, there are certain values that we live by here, right? Like for you, it might be a growth mindset is a non-negotiable, right? It's that we are curious, not judgmental. It's that we are abundance mentality where we actually try to build each other up in the community and there isn't any feeling of competition, right? Like whatever those values might be, you communicate them clearly. And then I think that a good leader of a community sets very clear expectations and possibly even rules, right? Like if we're going to play in this environment, here's the standard. I expect this from you, and in return, I promise to give this to you, right? Like this is a two-way agreement. And here's some no-nos. Here's some things that if you do, that's not what we're about, right? When that's communicated clearly, what then happens is your community then starts enforcing those values, those beliefs, those ideals, and people naturally either weed themselves out or are weeded out by the group if they don't come with that same mindset, right? And so I think that's where it starts. Having a very clear vision for the type of community you want to build and then clearly explaining those values, beliefs, rules that then people live by. Then once that's the case, if you've done that well, then you just provide opportunities for people to connect with each other.